Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete the Proton application from your phone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to delete the Proton application from your phone, you have to go to your Settings application. From there, choose the app setting. Now, after coming to app settings, you'll get so many options. Go to all the apps that you have, and from here, you have to find your Proton Mail application. Just scroll down until you find the application, and then click on the Proton Mail application you have. Then, after coming here, you'll get so many options such as notification permissions, data use, force stop, and uninstall. You have to click into the uninstall option to delete the application. Click into the uninstall button, and click OK in order to confirm the deletion. And after doing that, your application will shortly be deleted. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.